Kindle Kid Present all about Halloween. Do you know when do people celebrate Halloween? Halloween is celebrated on the 31st of October each year. It is celebrated in many countries around the world. Now tell me, why do people celebrate Halloween? Thousands of years ago, the Celtic people celebrated a festival called Samhain. This festival took place at the end of the summer. This festival later became known as Halloween. Do you know how do people celebrate Halloween? Yes. Pumpkin. Jack-o'-lanterns used to be made from turnips but are now usually made from pumpkins. The lanterns are then put outside houses at Halloween. You will be amazed to know, how do people celebrate Halloween? A face or a spooky Halloween design is carved into the pumpkin. A candle is put inside the lantern. Do you know, how do people celebrate Halloween and how they dress up? People like to dress up in spooky costumes at Halloween. How do people celebrate Halloween? They sometimes decorate their houses and have Halloween parties. How do people celebrate Halloween? What game people play? Yes, kids play trick or treat. Children dress up in costumes and then travel from house to house to ask trick or treat. They are often given treats such as sweets or chocolate. How do people celebrate Halloween? What game people play? To stay safe, children must always take an adult with them when they go trick-or-treating. Do you know children also plan another game called apple bobbling? Children often play a game called apple bobbing at Halloween. Apples are put into a tub of water. Children have to try to catch an apple with their teeth. They aren't allowed to use their hands to help them. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel for more such video.